Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Eisenthal with you on this Monday evening. We have another major storm to go through. Incredible stuff, and I don't think we're done after this either. It's going to be a wild ride, folks. Let's get right to it. Check out the weather headline. Lots of cold coming, tracking a Wednesday storm. How much snow? We'll get to that in a bit. I'm very concerned about moderate to major coastal flooding, northeast winds, 50 miles an hour plus. More power outages are likely. All right, let's check out watches and warnings in blue. It is a winter storm watch from Boston to Worcester to Springfield, a good chunk of Connecticut and Rhode Island from Wednesday into Thursday morning. The turquoise over the Cape and the islands is a coastal flood watch. Big problems coming there. National temperatures as of late this afternoon. Notice how cold it is in Canada. All this cold air just marking time, and we'll get involved in this upcoming storm as it sags southeast over the next couple of days. Cold late this afternoon, early evening. Boston temperatures are running in the upper 20s and low 30s. The normal high for this time of year in Boston is in the mid 40s. So let's get right to it. First of all, put the players on the field. We have some atmospheric spin around Missouri. This is going to be a player as it merges with some moisture off the coast here. These two elements of atmospheric spin will join hands to form one heck of a storm off the Delmarva by Wednesday morning, bombing out south of New England late Wednesday night into early Thursday. Behind the storm, a lot of cold Arctic air spilling in, so watch out for that. Radar shows burgeoning area of snow back from North and South Dakota in through Nebraska, going to hook up with these showers and storms into Missouri, in through portions of Florida, all of the just marking time. This is just all in the embryonic state, or stage, if you will. Again, looks like a lot of moisture coming towards New England. So this is the map we actually showed you last night. This is off the European. I'm sticking with this for 2 o'clock Wednesday. One heck of a storm located east of the Virginia Capes, and by 8 o'clock at night, it's south of New England, giving us heavy snow and strong northeast winds, perhaps over 50 miles per hour. And I want to show you the map that I had, if it's still there, for 2 o'clock, actually, Thursday morning. The storm is drifting southeast, still with bands of snow coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. How much snow, by the way, are we going for? This is what I'm thinking right now in the orange zone, the Merrimack Valley, Boston, eastern slopes of Worcester County, Providence, Hartford, 6 inches plus. That should include the Cape and the islands. The only thing that makes me a little bit hesitant at this point to go for a lot more, like over a foot, is the time of year. It's March, even though it's cloudy and snowing, the sun angle is much higher. The temperatures are not super cold during the storm, 32, 33, 34 degrees to start. So the snow is going to have a harder time sticking on the pavement. So those elements are in my pot of consideration here. Once you get on the western side of 495, we're talking 3 to 6. Now, this is subject to change, folks, so you have to bear with me. Yes, there's to bear with me. Overnight, clear and cold. Temperatures by morning, 10 to 18. Here's your 5-day forecast. Let's bring it on. Tomorrow, sun clouds and cool. The mercury struggling to get to 40. Cloudy, cold on Wednesday. Snow. What time's to start, Mark? Probably about midday. The snow gets steadier and heavier. So for the afternoon commute, if I'm right in the storm, it should be snowing at a pretty good clip. Snow heavy at times Wednesday night. Temperatures could fall back into the upper 20s late, so the wetness of the snow will be drying out. It'll end by dawn on Thursday. It's windy and cold on Thursday, variable clouds. Cold winds on Friday, variable clouds. Mid-30s, same deal on Saturday. There's talk of another storm late in the weekend. Let me come back to me on camera here. Can I do that? Yes, I'm the cameraman, I'm the weatherman, I'm the graphics man, I'm Aquaman. So we'll be watching this storm seriously over the next 24 hours. You know, there's always room for jello, as they say. There's always room for change, and we've seen radical shifts in the storm track from having it go out to sea to having it slowly come back in to now being possibly a major player. So I'll be here, and of course I'll be on EC 99.1 WPLM. We'll keep you posted there. Till then, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Enjoy your evening.